Alright, y'all, this is a Chevy Cobalt 2009, dealing with a no crank, no start. Never had this issue where you put the keys in. I'm not going to do it because I just solved the issue. Put the key in, crank it, not going to do it. All the way over, you hear no noise, no crank, no start, no nothing. I'm going to get one of these, a relay. Show you what I'm talking about. Now for me, it was this one. And that one was the ECM transmission. ECM transmission 15A. I had a spare one right here. Swapped it out. Then I swapped the crank with the cooling fan. Crank right up.